How to delete Temu account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account within the Temu app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to delete our Temu account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Temu app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select You in the bottom menu. Once we get to You, select the little donut looking icon in the top right of the app to open the settings, and then in the settings, select Account Security at the top. From here, all we need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Delete Your Temu Account. Now they want to let you know that your account will be permanently deleted and make sure that all of your orders have been delivered or refunded before you actually delete your account. So once you're ready, scroll all the way down, select I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then select Continue. From there, give them a reason and then select Continue. Then all we need to do is select Continue Deleting. Then confirm one more time you do want to delete your Temu account by selecting Delete. You'll then need to go through the process of verifying your identity, and you can use either email, SMS, or just your password to do that. And once you verify your identity, your Temu account will then be deleted. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Temu tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets. Thank you so much for watching.